Hello and welcome to Best Channel for Kids. Hey kids, today I am again with a new set of erasers, 3D puzzle toy erasers for you. These are really cute. Now let's see them. This is a computer with a keyboard, mouse and a joystick. It's a monitor. So now let's open up. It's in the form of puzzle. These are actually the erasers you can use to erase the things written with the pencil. So these are your toys which you can take at your school and also have fun while you have some free time. So they are finally out. I'll show you one by one. This is a computer monitor with a screen and a stand. So that's a really great eraser. You can erase as well as you can solve it as form of puzzle. It's a mouse, wireless mouse for your computer. This is the keyboard, and the keyboard is of the same color as monitor, and this is joystick. So the joystick has some arrows, and this is for direction, and these are the points for various functions. So this is a joystick for particular functions like gaming and all. You can use it. So these are the 4 erasers you get with this particular set. So the monitor, keyboard, mouse and a joystick. Now let's open them up because they are finally in the puzzle form. So while you are not using them as erasers, you can just have fun. Kids, you just have to open them. So this joystick has 3 parts. Again the mouse has 2 parts, and the monitor is also with 2 parts. One is the frame, and this is the real screen interior. This is a keyboard. Again it is divided this way. Now let us mix them all. So now your 4 erasers are actually divided into parts, and you solve the puzzle. It's the monitor, and this is the frame for the monitor. So we have solved this particular puzzle of one eraser, that is the monitor of computer, and these 2 parts fit together, I think, because this is the keyboard's frame and these are the interiors wherein all the letters and figures, digits are there. So this is the keyboard. It's ready now. Next is the joystick. The joystick, these 2 shapes perfectly fit each other. So here are the holes and these are the knobs. So we can try it and press it here so that these 4 come into synchronization. And the main thing is that the holes are small, so if it doesn't fit exactly, it won't get into it. So this is the ready. Now something is missing here, that is the direction part, and that is a small plus. This plus perfectly fits here, and it gives you the control of directions. And kids, while you play the video game, you have something to for directions, left, right, up, down. So that is, the joystick is complete. Now the mouse. This is the base of the mouse, which has the sensors when you move the mouse, and this is the lower portion and some upper portion. So let's check out whether they are correct or not. This one is lower actually. This shape fits here, and if at all you make some incorrect decision, the next point you will come to know that other thing fits perfectly well. So the mouse is ready. So this is a roller actually. In this eraser it doesn't move, but it's a roller where you can scroll up and down, and from here you can click it. So this is a mouse. So now all are ready. Let's see once again the monitor, the keyboard, the joystick and the mouse. So this particular set of four things in this eraser set was really cool to solve out. I hope you enjoyed the video at Best Channel for Kids. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe Best Channel for Kids. Bye bye for now.